Hey there, and welcome to Clockify. My name is Julian, and in this video, I'll take you through inviting users, organizing your team, and managing their profiles. So let's go ahead and dive right in. There are two types of users in Clockify: full users and limited users. Full users have access to all active Clockify features as permitted and can log in with their email address, while limited users don't use their email address and can only clock in and out of the kiosk. To add a new user, go to the team page, click Add Full Member, and add their email address. You can add people one by one or in bulk by typing multiple email addresses. To add details to the user's profile, click on the three dots next to their name and choose Edit Profile. Now you can add other employee details that can vary from team to team or from employee to employee, such as their week start, their working days, and their daily working capacity. In the Limited tab, you can add users who will have limited access to your Clockify account. More specifically, people who clock in and out using only the kiosk. You add limited users simply by typing in their name, and then you can edit their profile information in the same way. If everyone has the same start day of the week and the same working days, you can set this information in the workspace settings. You can change the same type of information for multiple users by selecting multiple users from the list and then clicking Bulk Edit. Change what you need to and click Save. Now, all selected user profiles will have updated information automatically. Now that you know how to add your users to your workspace, let's go over deactivating and deleting them. Let's say you've accidentally invited a user to your workspace in Clockify. You can easily remove them before they've accepted the invite. To remove them, you'll need to access the Cake.com platform located in the menu next to the Clockify logo on the top left. Once logged in, navigate to the Members page in the left menu. There, you'll see a full list of members where you can see which member you want to remove. Select their name, and in the menu screen on the right and on the top, select Delete. If you have a user that no longer needs to access your workspace, you can deactivate them either in the Clockify app or in the Cake.com platform. In Clockify, go to the menu next to their name and select Deactivate. In the Cake.com platform in the Teams page, select the user you want to deactivate, go to the menu next to the displayed workspace and select Deactivate. To delete an activated member, you must deactivate them from each workspace they belong to, including workspaces on Pummel and Plaky. If you delete a user, their track time and expenses will remain, but you'll no longer be able to quickly restore access in the future. Deactivated users can no longer track time on your workspace, and they don't take up a paid seat, but you can still see their track time in reports and quickly activate them again with all their settings preserved. To reactivate a member, you can easily do it by going to the same menu and choosing Activate from either Clockify or Cake. Clockify allows you to create custom fields for users and their profiles to keep track of information such as employment type, medical information, or emergency contacts for all users. Customer user data can also be exported along with time entries in detailed reports. You just need to include them in the Customize Export option. To create a custom field, go to the Workspace settings and choose the Custom Fields tab and click Create. Here, you should name the field that you are creating, choose a field type, and add a description to further explain what needs to be imputed. Field type determines how the field will look and behave, whether it allows textual or a numerical input, a link, a yes or no switch, or a drop-down with single or multiple options. After choosing the type, we can enter a placeholder as an instruction before the user starts typing in the field, which can serve as a way to instruct team managers how to populate this field for their users. We can also enter the default field value and see the preview of how the field will look like. When you create the field, move it to the Active Fields column in order to activate it. Here, you can also expand fields to review, edit, or delete them. On the team page, when you click on the menu next to a user, click Edit Profile, and here you'll be able to fill in all custom user fields. This field will also be available when you add new members to your team. If you have a lot of projects and users, organizing users into groups will help you better manage who can access what and at what scale. To create a group, switch to the Group tab and type in a group name, and then click Add. To add users to a group, click on the Access button and check the users you want to add. Now, you'll be able to assign projects to a group of people in one click. And when a new user joins the team, you can just add them to a group and they'll automatically get assigned to all group projects. You can also get a summary report and analyze time for each group. In the reports, you can see what each user worked on, their attendance, and their assignment progress. Use the team filter to select users or groups for which you want to display tracking data, and further customize the filters for specific clients, projects, or tasks. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you would like to see more, check out our website at www.clockify.me or visit our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.